Yes, namaste. Good morning, my dear students. So, today again we are in the same topic, that is SCF and LCM, and today we will solve the some problem also. So, let us take here first question for today. We have to find the SCF and LCM. So, here first question is a cube minus 1 and a power 4 plus a square plus 1. See there. So, here two expressions are given. So, for these two expressions we have to find out SCF and LCM. So, to find out LCM and SCF, firstly we have to factorize the both expression. So, see here solution, first expression, what is given here? A cube minus 1. What is given? A cube minus 1. So, a cube minus 1. So, here first term is already in complete in the form of cube and second term is given 1. So, 1 we can write 1 as a 1 cube, because the cube of 1 is how much? 1. The result is 1. So, it became a cube minus b cube, and we know the formula of a cube minus b cube means what? A minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So, you have to use this formula, you know very well. A cube minus b cube means a minus b, I have just written here. So, it became a minus 1 a square plus a b plus b square. So, a minus 1 a square a into 1 means a plus square of 1 is 1. So, this is the factor of a cube minus 1, and then after again your second expression, what is given, my dear students? A power 4 plus a square plus 1. So, we have to factorize this also. So, a power 4 plus a square plus 1. So, you know, first let us see whether we can factorize or not by the general factorization method, that is multiply the coefficient of first term. First term is here what? 1, and last term is what? 1. So, 1 into 1 means 1, 1 into 1 means 1, and the sign of last term is what here? Plus. So, by adding these factors we should get how much? The coefficient of middle term. So, how much the coefficient of middle term is here? 1. And by adding here the factor 1 plus 1 means what? 2. So, it cannot be factorized by the general factorization method. And then after, so use complete square factorization method. So, for that you have to write like this: a power 4 plus this last term here and this middle term at last. Then after we have to convert in the form of a square plus b square. So, it became a square whole square, and we can write 1 as a square, because square of 1 is what? 1, my dear students. So, see here, and you know this is the, you can use the law of indices. If power over power, then they are multiplied. So, 2 to the 4. So, we can write like this, and then after you know the formula a square plus b square. A square plus b square has two formula. One is a plus b whole square minus 2ab, other is a minus b whole square plus 2ab, and if the sign of last term here plus, so you have to use this formula. So, a plus b whole square minus 2 b and a square is already given there. So, it became a square plus 1 whole square 2 into 1 2a square plus a square, and then after it became a square plus 1 whole square, and difference of 2a square plus a square, if you simplify then became minus a square, here minus 2, here plus 1. So, the difference, well, the result is what? Minus 1, because we should take the sign of greater number. So, 2 is the greater number, that is why the sign is minus. So, here we can use a square minus b square formula. You know a square minus b square. A square minus b square means, you know very well, a minus b into a plus b, a minus b into a plus b. So, here a minus b, a plus b, you can write like this also, a square minus a plus 1, and here a square plus a plus 1. This is the factor of this expression. I think here is no any confusion. So, now let us take the SCF. What is the SCF? See there. So, therefore, SCF equal to, for SCF you have to see in the factors what are common there in both. So, here a minus 1, are you watching here a minus 1? No. So, a minus 1 is not the factor, common factor, and then after here a square plus a plus 1 you are watching, and here also. So, this factor lying in both expression. So, a square plus a plus 1 is the what? Common factor. So, this is the SCF. So, a square plus a plus 1, this is the what? SCF. And now the term for LCM. LCM means, you know very well, common factor into remaining factor. So, common factor, you know, here already you have taken SCF is the common factor. So, here a square plus a plus 1 is the common factor, and this one is what? Remaining factor, only present in one first expression, and this is also remaining factor. So, a square minus a plus 1. So, you can write like this, a minus 1, a square plus a square minus, this is the answer. So, any confusion, my dear students? I think there is no any confusion. So, this is the solution of this question. Now, take other question also. So, I want to rub, my dear students. So, other question is here. Only you have to very sincerely you have to factorize, and then after you have to take the SCF and LCM. Now, second question for today is, here is given 16x power 4 minus 4x square minus 4x minus 1, and other expression is 8x cube minus 1. So, for this question we have to find out both SCF and LCM, my dear students. So, solution. So, first expression, what is here? 16x power 4 minus 4x square minus 4x plus 1. So, here we can write this term complete in the form of square. So, you can write here 4x square whole square. You know very well, if power over power, then they are multiplied, power over power, then they are multiplied. 2 to the 4, and square of 4 is what? 16, and here we can take common. After taking the common, we can convert this trinomial, we can able to convert in the form of a plus b whole square. Sorry, here is minus, I have written here plus. So, minus. So, take common here. So, 4x square minus into minus plus minus into minus plus. So, 4x square whole square minus, here we can write like this, 2x whole square, leave the gap, this is 1 square, and use the formula you know very well. A plus b whole square means a square plus 2ab plus b square. See here, a square plus here b square, what we need? 2ab. So, from formula here, 2 in place of a how much? 2x, in place of b how much? 1. So, see their product, 2 to the 4 and x. So, this term and this term is what? Equal. So, we can write this in the form of a plus b whole square. So, 4x square whole square, and this became a, this is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So, you can write a plus b what? Whole square. We can use this formula a plus b whole square. And now you are watching very sincerely, it again became a square minus b square. So, again we can use this formula, a square minus b square means a minus b and a plus b. So, here if last term has more than one term, so we should keep inside the bracket. So, that is why put here curly bracket. So, a plus b one factor and other is a minus b is other factor. So, it became what? 4x square, you know, while opening the bracket this sign will multiply whatever sign inside the bracket. So, plus into plus plus 2x plus into plus plus 1, and likewise same here also 4x square minus into plus minus minus into plus minus. So, once again here we can write this in the form of complete square. So, write, and then after here take minus sign common, we will get like this, and then after we can write this in the form of a plus b whole square, and then after we can use a square minus b square. So, a plus b, a minus b, and then after remove the bracket like this, and this is also like this. So, this is the factor of this expression. Now, the term for second expression. So, again second expression, what is given here? 8x cube minus 1. So, this is binomial expression, my dear students. So, firstly here x cube is given, here is 8. So, for 8 we can write 2 power 3. So, we can write this complete in the form of whole cube. So, it became what? 2x whole cube, and being here cube, so 1 also you can write in the form of 1 cube, because the cube of 1 is what? 1. So, now we can use the formula here. We are watching here a cube minus b cube. A cube minus b cube means a minus b and a square plus ab plus b square. So, write here a minus b, then after curly bracket a square plus ab plus b square. So, how much it became? 2x minus 1, square of 2 is what? 4, square of x is what? X square, 2 into 1 2x plus square of 1 is 1. In this way we have got the factor of second expression also. We have got the factor of second expression also. Now, the term for LCM and SCF. See here, what is the SCF? The factor that remain common in all expression. All expression means sometime here are 2 expressions are given, sometime 3 expressions are given. So, whatever present in all expression, the factor will be the what? SCF. That factor will be the SCF. So, SCF, see here, what is common here? You are watching here 4x square plus 2x plus 1 is here in first expression as a factor, and in second expression also as a factor. So, this is what? SCF. So, right here SCF will be 4x square plus 2x plus 1. This is the SCF. And now the term for LCM. So, LCM it means what? I have written just now common factor into remaining factor. Common factor into remaining factor. So, first you know what is the common factor? This is SCF only the common factor. So, 4x square plus 2x plus 1 into this one is the remaining factor right here 4x square minus 2x minus 1, this is the remaining factor, and into what is here? Remaining factor is 2x minus 1. So, you can write here lastly 2x minus 1, 4x square plus 2x plus 1 and 4x square minus 2x minus 1. This is the answer of the LCM of this expression. So, I think you are very confident, you have no any problem in the SCF and LCM. So, again we will take other question to solve. So, this is the solution of this question. Now, the term for other question. Then after see here the question, next question is given here a square plus 2ab plus b square minus c square first expression, and likewise b square plus 2bc plus c square minus a square, and then after third expression is c square plus 2ca plus a square minus b square. We have to find out SCF of LCM and SCF of both this question. So, here like same first expression, what is given? Very simple, a square plus 2ab plus b square minus c square. So, you know this is the formula, this is the formula, we can use the formula a square plus 2ab plus b square means what? Very simple, a plus b whole square. So, we can write here a plus b whole square minus c square. So, now, this complete is a and this is what? B. So, we can use the formula a square minus b square. So, what is here? A plus b means what? A plus b, a minus b, and likewise second expression, what is there? B square plus 2bc plus c square minus a square, this second expression. So, you are watching here is the 2ab term is there, but in place of a, b is there, but in place of b, c is there. So, b square plus 2bc plus c square means b plus c whole square minus a square. Again we have got in the form of a square minus b square. So, this complete is a and this one is what? B. So, a plus b, a minus b, this is the factor, and likewise same third expression. Third expression is what? Given c square plus 2ca plus a square minus b square. So again like same you are watching very sincerely. Here is c square plus 2ca plus a square means c plus a whole square. So we can write here c plus a whole square minus b square. Again this whole is what? A square minus b square. So use formula a plus b and then after what? Next factor is a minus b. So in this way we have got the factor of all three expressions here. Now the term for is what? SCF. To find the SCF and LCM. So see there. Therefore SCF means the factor that lying in all expression. The factor that lying in all expression. So see here, you are watching here, a plus b plus c is here, b plus c plus a is here, means same, c plus a plus b is here, means same. So this is what? A plus b plus c is the common factor for all expression here. And then after LCM. LCM means I have told you we have solved common factor and into remaining factor. So what is common factor? A plus b plus c into what is remaining? This was in remaining here. So write a plus b plus a plus b minus c here, b plus c minus a, and then after last one is c plus a minus b. So you can write here a plus b plus c, a plus b minus c, b plus c minus a, c plus a minus b. This is the answer. This is the answer. So likewise you have to do, my dear students. This is very simple. Just you have to factorize and then after you have to see the common factors, that is the SCF, and then after common factor and remaining factor is what? LCM. Now let's move the last question of this SCF and LCM. So see here, last question is today. What is there? X square minus 18x minus 19 plus 20y minus y square, and then after next expression is x square plus x minus y square plus y, and then after x square minus y square plus 2y minus 1. This is the last question of SCF and LCM. So see here, first of all we have to factorize all these expressions of the given question. So solution, first expression you are watching very clearly, x square minus 18x minus 19 plus 20y minus y square. Then after see here, how many terms are here? 5 terms are here. So by splitting this term having without variable, we have to split into 2 parts in such a way then that each part can be written in the form of square. Yes. So here x square minus this 18 means we have to use the 2 AB parts. So 2 means 2, 2 9 ja 18 means 9 square is the what? B square here. So square of 9 is what? Square of 9 is 81, and then after here 2ab, 2 10 is 20, square of 10 is what? 100. So here plus 81 minus 100 means what? Minus 19. So in place of this minus 19, we can write here 18x minus plus 81 minus 100 plus 20y minus y square. Here plus 81 minus 100 means what? Minus 19. Now we have got how many terms? We have got 6 terms. So here we can use formula, here also we can use formula. So see here, this is a square, leave this, and this is what? B square. Put here curly bracket, and then after use formula, a square minus what is 2, a means what? X, b means what? 9. What's here? 2 9 is 18. So both terms are what? Equal. So we can use here a minus b whole square. And here first take common first. So take minus as a common. So what is that? 100 minus into plus minus into minus plus into minus plus. So you can write here a square minus 2ab plus b square means a minus b whole square. And here also this is what? 10 square minus this is what? Y square. Now use formula 2, a means 10, b means y, and see here 2 10 is 20, here is also 20y, here is also 20y. So you can write x minus 9 whole square, and this is what? 10 minus y whole square. So you can write this is y minus 10 whole square also, 10 minus y whole square also, because the result is what? Same. See here, here formula is also same, a minus b whole square or b minus a whole square means same formula, a square minus 2ab plus b square. Yes, so we can write a minus b whole square also, b minus a also, whole square. So now this complete is what? A, and this complete is what? B. Now it is in the form of a square minus b square. So use the formula. See here, a plus b, and other factor is a minus b. A square minus b square means a plus b, a minus b. Now open the bracket. So x minus 9 plus into plus, plus 10 plus into minus, minus. Here x minus 9 minus into plus, minus into minus, plus. So simplify x minus y, minus 9 plus 10 means what? Plus 1. And here x plus y minus 9 minus 10 means what? Minus 19. This is the factor of first expression. Now second expression. What is here in second expression? You are watching here. Second expression is what? X square, then after plus x minus y plus y. Now first arrange. So you can write here x square minus y square plus x plus y like this. Here you can use formula a square minus b square. So it will be what? X minus y means a minus b, x plus y means a plus b, and what is common in between both? 1 is common. So x plus y. So it became, see here again, here further common. So x plus y is the common, and what is left? X minus y is here, and here plus 1. This is the factor of second expression. And similarly third expression, what is there? You are watching x square here. See my dear students, x square minus y square plus 2y minus 1. So, here you can use x square, here you can take common, because you can write in the form of either a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square. Let us see. So, y square minus into plus minus 2y minus into minus plus 1. So, here x square, see here this is y square minus, we can write plus 1 square. So, see, fill up the gap by using the 2ab. So, here 2 from formula, a means y, b means what? 1, here 1, b means what? 1. So, 2 1 is 2. So, we can write here x square, and this will be what? X minus 1 whole square, x minus 1 whole square. Then after, see here, use the formula a square minus b square. A square minus b square means what? A, after minus sign, two terms are there. So, keep inside the bracket. So, a minus b, a minus b, a plus b. So, what is here? X minus into plus, minus 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 into minus plus, and likewise x plus into plus 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 into minus minus. This is the factor of third expression. And then after, we have to take what? SCF. So, SCF means the common factor that lies in all expression. So, see very sincerely, you are watching here x minus y plus 1, x minus y plus 1, x minus y plus 1, yes, present in all three expressions as a factor. So, x minus y plus 1 is what? SCF. And then after LCM, LCM means I have told you common factor into, you know very well, remaining factors. So, common factor means x minus y plus 1 into remaining means, see here, this one is the remaining, right, x plus y minus 1, and then after here this one x plus y minus 19 into here, see, x plus y. Again see, these are the SCF, this is the SCF because lying in all expression. Then after here x plus 1 this, then after x plus 1 minus 1 this, and then after x plus y minus 19 this. So, this is what? X plus y, x minus y plus 1, x plus y minus 1, x plus y minus 19. This is the LCM. So, my dear students, this is the last period of this SCF and LCM of class 10. So, tomorrow we will start next topic. So, for SCF and LCM is this much. You have to practice at home, you have to revise all the questions. If there is some problem, then you can consult your mathematics teacher of your school. Thank you so much.